Okay, guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on you are seeing this video. I'm just going to do some brief explanation in biology, especially you all know that there's a topic called transport system in biology, and we have what you call the transport medium. Also, one of the transport medium in human beings is the blood, which is I'm going to explain today the things you need to know as a science student concerning what the blood, and also know that the blood is one of the transport medium in human being. So the blood is divided into two parts here. It is divided into the plasma and the cells. The plasma is mostly made of water, 80% of water, and 20% of dissolved substances. Dissolved substances can be food substances, it can be minerals found in the body, it can be many things. So it's anything that dissolved. And note this: for a substance to be transported, the substance must dissolve. It must dissolve so that the substance can be transported. That's one thing you need to know. Okay, now I said that we need to talk about the blood, and the blood is divided into two. The plasma part is mostly of water and dissolved substance. Then the cell part, we have the three types of cells found in the blood. You have the red blood cell, you have the white blood cell, and you have the platelets. And know that the red blood cell, I want to explain it step by step. The red blood cell is also known as the erythrocyte. Yes, it's also known as the erythrocyte. And know that the red blood cell is produced in the bone marrow, and the process of producing the red blood cell is called erythropoiesis. The process of the production of the red blood cell in the bone marrow is called erythropoiesis. Yes, and then further the red blood cell stays the highest limit of 120 days before being destroyed at the liver. Yes, the liver destroys the red blood cell, and the process of destruction of the red blood cell at the liver is called erythrophagocytosis. Yes, erythrophagocytosis. Don't mind my pronunciation. It's called erythrophagocytosis. That's the process of the destruction of the red blood cell at the liver. And know that the cells mostly found in the blood, the three cells mostly found in the blood is produced at the bone marrow. And the process of producing all those cells, both the red blood cell, both the white blood cell, both the platelet, is called the hematopoiesis. The hematopoiesis is called hematopoiesis. Yes, that's the process of the production of all the cells found in the blood. That's the things you need to know as a science student. Then we have what we call the what's it called the white blood cell. Before I go to the white blood cell, know that the red blood cell lacks nucleus. It lacks nucleus. It does not contain nucleus. Yes, and also it contains hemoglobin. The red blood cell contains hemoglobin. The presence of hemoglobin. The presence of hemoglobin brings about the red color of a red blood cell. And note this: hemoglobin combines with oxygen to form oxyhemoglobin. The production of oxyhemoglobin helps in the transportation of oxygen. Yes, it helps in the transportation of oxygen to the all part of the body. That's why the red blood cell helps in transportation of oxygen in the part of the body. So that's the reason, the presence of oxyhemoglobin, and hemoglobin combines with oxygen to form oxyhemoglobin. That's the fundamental things you need to know. Then we talk about the white blood cell. What is the white blood cell? The white blood cell can also be called the leukocyte. Yes, the leukocyte, and it is also produced at the bone marrow. It is produced at the bone marrow. Sometimes it is produced at the lymphatic node. And know that the white blood cell is the only cell that contains nucleus. Yes, and the white blood cell is further divided into three parts. We have the granulocyte, we have the lymphocyte, and the monocyte. The granulocyte, lymphocyte, and the monocyte. The granulocyte are phagocytes. The granulocytes are phagocytes. You just need to understand this. This is very simple. The granulocytes are also called the phagocytes. Whenever you hear phagocytes are one of one of the part of the white blood cell that ingest foreign substances. What I mean by they ingest foreign substances is they kill bacteria. They kill bacteria. Good bacteria and viruses are foreign substances to the world, to the human system. So the phagocyte will ingest foreign bacteria. Yeah, then we have what the lymphocyte. The main function of the lymphocyte is also, it serves as what it boosts, it helps in the boost of what the immune system. It says the boosting of what the immune system, and also the monocyte. The monocyte are developed into phagocyte as well. They develop into phagocyte, which is the help in the ingestion of what foreign substances. So this is very simple. Then you have what the platelet. The platelet is also known as what the thrombocyte. The platelet secretes what an enzyme called the thromboplastin. The thromboplastin helps in what in the clothing of the body. Yes, it helps in what in the clothing of the body. And know that what the platelet is produced at what at the bone marrow. These are things you need to know as a science student. And know this, the production of what the red blood cell, the white blood cell, and the platelet in the bone marrow is called what hematopoiesis. These are the things you need to know. And then I'm going to drop a full video concerning this blood with full details, and you need to understand it. Just relax and you will learn a lot. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any questions, you can drop it in the comment section. If you understand, you can drop what I understand in the comment section. Thank you so much.